Studying at the University of Minnesota was a great experience for me. It had a very strong economics department, very rigorous teachers, including some, I think 3 or 4, who were there at that time, who later became Nobel laureates in economics.
This opportunity to do this exchange allowed me to broaden my vision on and my expertise academically, because there was a lot of more courses at the graduate level. I learned how to conduct research and partake in academic discussions and seminars in English and write papers and essays. So it really helped me further along in my career.
By being accepted at the University of Minnesota into a master's degree program, helped me connect with my past, being in the present, and then also into my future, where I am now.
The university has been very kind to me, not only in terms of the education, but they've also honored me in many ways. Back when I was Prime Minister, the president of the university was here with a delegation and honored me with an honorary doctorate, which I cherish very much.
Well, the experience changed me as a person. Of course, it was, although I had grown up partly in the States as a child, going abroad as a young adult and being welcomed in a big university and a big university campus, which was also a lot of freedom and difficult, but it was also a community that took me in its arms and supported me.
So the whole experience was very unique, both for me personally and professionally. And when we look at the professional aspect, I was able to enter a program that was renowned. It was nationally acclaimed, and I was able to grow professionally, get new skills, to be able to transfer them to Iceland.
You know, looking back over almost 50 years, it's now almost 50 years, we're all getting a lot older. It has been invaluable to me in so many ways. I always think of Minnesota very kindly. I always love to go there. And the Minneapolis side of the campus was my place.
When looking through these decades of official cooperation, the background is the ties between the Western Icelandic community and Iceland, really. And when we look at the common values in those two aspects, it's on education, it's on well-being and making a difference for society.
The top of the experience is, of course, the great friends that I got to know and still communicate with and have inspired me throughout the years. But the most important part for me was the academic rigor and the focus that I learned to engage with and help me create my own vision of where I wanted to go. So that was really what stands out for me.
I'd just like to say to them and to everybody who is involved in the University of Iceland, University of Minnesota relationship, keep going, you're doing a great job.